Hello, welcome to Trading 7 Academy. So, this is gold chart, and on the right side, you can see my OctaFX account is open. And today, first of all, we will go to Forex Factory and we will see the news. So, there is very low impact 2 news coming out at 6:30. But today night is very important. You can make a lot of money because today because federal fund rates, FOMC statement, and then FOMC press conference will happen at 12:30, and you will see a big movement in the market. So as you can see from yesterday, market is moving very randomly. As you can see on the right side, so these are the news. So we are taking first 2758, sell 2764H, and there are two more trades for the buy: 2751 buy and 2748H, and the third one 2743. by 2742 H. So these are the trades which we will do today. So you can also take these. So first we take sell at 2758 exactly, and our hedging point is 2764. Market today is moving very randomly because today in the night time market has to move very fast in one direction. You will see that. So we will left something for the night also. But I put my entries. I'm just waiting for 10 pips to be done, and then I will remove my pending order because in every trade you must follow your plan. So in every plan, my plan has to be like after every 10 pips, $1, I will partial close my sum entry. I will break even the entry, so then there will be no loss on my capital. And third thing I do is to remove my pending order. So we will see what happens. So I have mentioned my entries for the day. So as a partial close, you can go here. So we are getting, yeah. So I closed half of my entry as you can see now. So what I will do is stop loss at 2758.02. No, yeah, so that's confirmed. So our break even is done, and we will close this order. So now as you can see, we have booked some profit as $11. Sorry. And now we are getting profits in this entry, and we can relax now. And for example, if your break even gets hit, then that's mean you have to search another entry. Don't go like again and again for the same site because it can be dangerous also. So if this gets break even, then we will try one more entry at 51. And why I take this sell, because my kit hit only 66, not 70, and I am expecting my kit to come to 40 or 50 to be exact, and then we can take one more buy also, but we will see whether this entry will go in profits or not. So it's very close to our break even point also. But remember, whenever the break even hits, it's also good because you are protecting your capital. So if this goes off, then we will take buy on 51. We will wait for 51 and then we will do one more trade. Because today market is moving directionless. It's not like market is moving point by point or giving you proper way that I am going for buy or for the sell. Because above 50 you can expect market to go for the buy, but yesterday there was not a big news so that market is moving on the top side, but market is moving. So for the night also I am expecting market to go and go for the buy, but we will see what happens in night also. But you must be careful because market will move $10-20 in seconds in the night, so you have to be careful also. My kid is also stubborn because my kid is moving direction less today, even yesterday. So if our in this entry will go down, for example, and in, if this entry gets break even, then we will take buy at 51. But you can take a chance because I don't think market will go so much down. But if our this entry doesn't go, then I will take 10 pip hedging point and go for buy from there. If not, then I will recommend 2751 for buy, 2748 for sell. So now market is moving down. We are getting $26 as a profit. It doesn't hit our entry point. So we are getting $27 as a profit. We booked $11. So we got a comment. I missed the entry, sir. Now what should I need to do? It's not a problem if you miss the entry. You can wait because I have mentioned three entries. So remember, once you miss the entry, it's not a thing that you have to go with the same entry point with same. If you missed it, it's not a problem. There are a lot of opportunities in the market that you can avail. You don't get stressful that, oh, I have missed this, blah blah blah. It's okay because every day there is a lot of opportunities in the market. So just have patience. And today market is moving directionless. It's not like there is proper picture, clear picture that you can go for buy or you can go for sell. So you have to take a chance if you want. So that's why I take out three entries. So on the entry which I am believing is 2750 for buy. If my key gets rejected from there, and the reason for 2743 is that there is a support down there. If my key doesn't hold on 2750, then my key can go to 2743. And there is no news at 6:30, big news, so you can't expect a big movement from the market. But if we get lucky today, even in this entry or from the buy, we will leave something for the night also, because when the time comes in the night, our entry will be so back. So if we get lucky and the market goes in our favor or in our direction, we will make a lot of money. But as you can see, market is not going down today. Even now, this candle goes down to 55 and it's not pushing downside. So we are very close to our break even. $12, 15, 14. If this goes back and hits your break even point, should I consider the entry yet? Well, the thing is, once your break even is hit, then you don't have to go back and put another entry with this on the same entry point, because if market is not going in your direction, it's coming back up, then you can't take another risk on the same time because it can go above also. So once your break even is done, then that trade is done. You don't have to go again. Even in this entry, if my break even hits, I am not going to go for sell again at 2758. Then I have to see from where the market will get rejected from the upside. It can, because market rejected yesterday at 66, So I am expecting, if my kid goes sell, if my kid doesn't go sell from here, it will can go to 63. Then you can take a chance on at 63. If you want to take a trade for sell, don't go for sell at 2758. Take a chance at 2763 if you can, if my kid allows you at that point. So when I came, I take a chance because I was expecting from the market to go from here. If you miss the opportunity and you want to go for sell today, wait for 2763, because then 2764 will be your hedging point. So it's only 10 pips, so it's not a problem, because from 2758 to 2764 it's a lot. And the main reason of hedging point is not like I have to be very close. It depend on the situation also, but my concern of putting hedging point is not just that my hedging point doesn't open and I should book some a little profit and make a break even in my entry. You need a lot of patience for the trading because everybody wants to make a lot of money in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But as you can see, in reality, you have to wait. Sometimes your break even hits, sometimes your hedging points open, and sometimes you are waiting just for the entry points. People don't make a proper plan, they don't search for entry points, hedging points, their targets, and then when market moves on the other side, they get panic. The reason of getting panic is because you don't know what is going to happen. So we are getting $32. I am expecting market to go down at least at 50, at least. Then I'll open my buy with a little 10 pips hedging point. I'm also sick today also, and oh. So on the screen, as you can see, market hit 30, then it takes support at 37 on this one, then it takes support at 40. Then previously there was a support at 45, and because of this big sell in on Monday, I was expecting yesterday sell in the market, but it doesn't happen. But my entry point hit because I go on market execution and book some profit yesterday also. But my kid goes again in the buy zone, because above 50 you should consider my kid as a buy zone, not as a sell zone. But as you can see, my kid is not moving downside, it's coming back up, 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 because it was very close to our break even points like 7 8 times. There was a like profit of $2, $5, and it's happening. 20 minutes are done. And it's also good if market is moving directionless, you should not do trade. So if you are doing it, then you should be careful. It doesn't mean, for example, if your hedging point opens or your trade goes wrong, it doesn't mean that you are not a good trader or good analysis. You just have to, for example, if you are doing trades every day, I do it in the weekends 3 days. So at the end of the month, you should be profitable. For example, you have $1,000, and at the end of the month you make even $50 on your $1,000. It's okay that because you are making some profits on your capital, but you should not doing like that you have started with $1,000 and you at the end of the month you only have like $950 and you have done loss. So our trade is gone, as you can see. So my gate hit 55. So 55. So now. So my gate hit. So I am. If anybody wants to go for sell today, you should wait for 63 first. 63, if my kit hits, you can have sell, and your hedging point has to be 64, not more than that, because how the market is moving is directionless. You can't expect, because market can move anywhere, here, there. But if market doesn't get rejected at 63, then the next target is 70. So first entry is gone. So from the downside, we will wait for 2750. Above, we will wait for 2763 and 2770. So I will write here also, or I will change this one. 63. And now it's just a waiting time. So I have mentioned my entries for the day. So today, as you can see, we are going to practice of hedging of only 10 pips. And what's the reason of doing a very small hedging is because market is directionless. There is not a proper movement, or you can see a proper clear picture that oh, you can go for buy or you can go for sell, and we have to take risk in the market to make money, so we are going to do that. So I have mentioned everything for the day, like 2763 for sell, 2750 for buy, and 2743 for buy. So now it's just a waiting game because there is no news at 6:30 also big that market will move. So I put my entries. You can also see like a pending orders. I am taking risk at 2750 to 2747, 330 pips. So just wait for entry points. Because now you can't do anything and market is moving very slow, and whenever market is moving like this you should, because it's a sign of danger, so be careful in the night whoever is going to do trades on FOMC. Use proper lot size according to your capital and make a proper plan before executing it in the market. And these trades are just for right now. If you are doing trades If you get chance on these points, then you can take a trade with me. Because once I am gone, then it's up to you. But we'll see what happens. You need patience in the market. So market is going down. I am good. How are you, Glossy? Get well soon. Thank you, sir. So market is pushing down. Market came down to 56. Whenever market is moving like this, you just have to be patient and wait for your entry points. When the market gets there, then take a risk too. So 6 o'clock done and market is pushing from 55 to 58. So it's moving above. So first we will take sell at 63 and the second is on 70. But we will see what happens. So from the previous 2 hours, market is stuck here at 57, 56, 55. Market is not even going down and also not going up. I am waiting right now for 2750 to be hit, and I'll take a trade at 2750. This movement of the market is very dangerous because right now it's not moving, but when the market will move in the night, you will see. So, in the night at FOMC, first you have to see is where the market will be at FOMC. If you get market at 2770, then you can go for sell at 2. Exactly, I am telling you the points 2770. If market at FOMC is hitting here, then you can go for sell. And if you get market at 50, you can go for buy. And also like 43. If market before goes down at and it is in 30s, then at 33 you can go for sell. And I don't recommend most of the people who are new in this industry to do trade at FOMC because it's dangerous. If you want to do it, use proper lot size. 0.03 as $1,000. But they make market so stubborn that moves very slow. But it's coming down. I am expecting 2750 to be hit, and then market should go up. Mm. Market is coming down. So we are waiting for 2750. Oh, my kid hit 2752.433. So as you can see now, my kit is still moving in 50s and there is no trade today in the evening that you can make profit. But these all, as my kit moves wherever, these are trades for FOMC. So what I have write? So first I have write sell point at 2770 and hedging point has to be 2771. Why I am not going above like 10 pips? Because at that time it's very dangerous to do trade. So you must use proper lot size, or you can take a risk. If you have made a profit before, then you can use that profit and increase your lot size. But if market is only moving in 50s and even in the night, then you can take buy at 2750 and the last is 2743. These are my FOMC trades, and tomorrow we'll see. If you get none of these entries or market is not here at the time, then you can. And there is one more. So keep these entries for FOMC. I have mentioned what can happen in the market if market hits at 12:30 2750 or 2757 in the night. Market will go buy. If market hits in 40s, there's a good chance that you can take a good buy at 2743. If not, if market is moving in 30s, remember you have to see what is going on in the market. And if you get 2770, then you can go for sell. And in every, I have mentioned already that you don't have to take a risk more than 10 pips. So do your trades accordingly. And there is one more. Where right now market is moving. So these are for the night, not for right now. So don't take it right now. So I am giving you proper points. Wherever you see the market, you can take a trade. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comments. because right now market is not moving that you can take a trade or make a money, because if you put right now any entry you buy or sell, you will be devastated, that your mind will get furious that why market isn't moving. Market is not moving because market is putting petrol in his, that market will move in the night. So the this movement, how right now how the market is moving, is very dangerous for the market, because when the news comes, the market will fly. So just market is preparing for the night. So now there is no trade for the day, as you can see. So we are going to close our setup, but I have mentioned my all my trades for FOMC. You can see, and whenever when you if you are doing trade at the night, you can see wherever the points you get, wherever the market is. I have given you proper setups. Please use proper lot size, because if you are using proper lot size, and if you are doing trade even on at FOMC, if it goes in your way, you will get a lot of profits. If not, then only 10 pips is not a problem, you can recover it easily. So just use proper risk management for your capital. So I am signing off. I'll meet you inshallah tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and we'll see what is